This video is for a specific type of knee issue. It's where your knee it gets tight and you can't extend it. So you'll get out of the car and you'll be limping. You can't extend your leg out. And so we see this really often where people feel like they have a band strapped around their knee. It's just really, really tight. So there's a specific area that we need to work on. And it's a nice trick so that we can get out of knee pain. You'll feel results immediately, but then if you do it 2 days in a row, typically you're out of knee pain if it's presenting that way. Let's get right into the video. First thing that we have to do is we have to loosen up that tissue right here in the hamstring. So what I'm gonna do is get in this chair, and so I'm gonna drop it on the knee that's bothering me. I'm getting into the hamstring, and I wanna be right here on the inside of my hamstring. So I'm gonna put pressure on it. My back stays in a neutral position and I'm gliding. Best to do it on a countertop, but doing it right here on the chair, it works for me. As long as I can put a little bit of over pressure on it, I'm extending out. I want this one to be pretty uncomfortable, digging into that muscle, but it's a hot spot. Now, version number 2, let's say that you don't have a lacrosse ball and you're out, you're walking, like let's say you're traveling, because this actually happened to me in the redwoods. We were hiking around, but we were getting in and out of the car a bunch on this road trip, and so my knee tightened up. And so just in standing, if you can do this, we grab right here in that hamstring, and then I get on one leg and I extend it out, and I'm gliding that tissue and digging into that spot right here on my hamstring and loosening that up. I'm able to get rid of it. I'm gonna do that 3 or 4 times within 10 minutes, loosening that up. Then I have to follow it up with a hip hinge, right, where I'm gliding the hamstrings and the glutes. So to finish it off, so I loosen up that tissue, then to finish it off, I'm gonna do this hip hinge where I'm going right here, face stay in line with the chest, and I push my hips back, touching the wall, touching the chair, push my hips back, push my hips forward. This is gonna make me engage my hamstrings and my glutes. And so I'm gonna pull that tension out of the knee and get that tissue gliding so I don't have that compression pressure on my knee. If you think about it like your shorts, like my shorts right here, if I have a corkscrew, I have something grabbing me from the front, you can see how this is digging into my leg. And that's what's happening with that sensation. We can't extend the knee and we're pulling it from the back. It's a hot spot where we're having a problem. So we finish it off, we've loosened up that hot spot, and then now we get that glide where we're going backward and forward, face in line with the chest, lower leg stays vertical, I'm pushing backward and I'm pushing forward. And I'm gonna do that 2 sets of 15, finish it off. Follow us for more videos on really quick fixes, things that you can do to start feeling better today. We'll see you in the next video.